I'm gonna show you what I do with my leftover kimchi.
I'm starting off with some ground beef, which I'm just going to form into some balls ready to smash later. Then I'm putting on a glove so that I can grab some of my kimchi. I'm going to take that kimchi, I'm just going to dice it up into small pieces. Once I've diced it up, I'm just going to fry it lightly. Once it's fried, just going to set it aside. Then I'm going to take one of the meatballs, put some baking paper over it and smash it down with a heavy pan. I'm going to peel that off and then season it with salt and pepper. I'm going to add some cheese and then cover it just to melt the cheese. Once the cheese is melted, I'm going to add the kimchi and then take the patty off and set it aside while I put Kewpie mayo on a bun. Once the bun is toasted, I'm going to take that apart and start assembling the burger. Put it together, smash it down, cut it up, take a bite, enjoy.